Assalamu alaikum all GSM friend. Today's subject, every day my new file upload and solution ready. Techno BF7 flash file after flash dead mode 100% tested. Okay. Next, Infinix X6526 flash file after flashing dead only MTK port 100% tested. Next, Infinix X6512 flash file after flashing dead mode only MTK port 100% tested. Next, Infinix X6517 flash file after flashing dead mode only SPD Prot show 100% tested. Next, Infinix X65258 flash file after flashing dead 100% tested. Next, in Techno BG6S, please wait, my customer knock. Flash file after flashing dead mode only SPD port 100% tested. Next, Infinix X6515 flash file after flashing dead mode only MTK port show 100% tested. Next, Infinix X6515 100% tested. Next, Infinix X6516 after flashing dead mode only SPD port show. Next, Infinix Note 50 50X 5G. Okay, now see MTK after flash version problem, the flashing dead mode only MTK port, but my file tested this working 100% working. Next, Techno BG6i flash file after dead mode only SPD port show 100% working. Next, Techno BF7S flash file after dead mode. Now see you download email, WhatsApp, Telegram, join it. Any problem? Email, WhatsApp and Telegram, join it. I am very confused. My request, my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment on Facebook, share, and other problem, other solution, other tool drain, other tool activation, just email, WhatsApp. Any file problem, the file not working, and second version file free only for GSM friend. Now see, check Borsha Mobile, any file you need, the YouTube description no link, the link, any browser open, now see Borsha Mobile. Okay, right now Borsha Mobile update, now see, right, and check if model name, no name, just model right now BG6i, the magic system. Okay, next, new version, download, version check, the version 100% working, update firmware, dead mode, auto on off, 100% tested. Downloading problem, email, WhatsApp and Telegram, join it. My service 24 hours. All GSM friend, good night.